A clever and strong girl. Helen was a student at a university. She was studying English. She was a clever girl, and she was also very good at sports and games. Her best sport was throwing the javelin, and she always won a prize for that at university games. Helen's best friend was called Mary. She went to the same classes as Helen, and she was a very good runner. The two girls often went out together in the evenings. One evening, they went to practice their sports in the university grounds, and when they had finished, they walked part of the way home together. But at one corner, they had to say goodbye because their homes were in different directions. "Be careful on your way home," Mary said to Helen. "I would be happier if our houses were nearer." "Me too," answered Helen. The streets were very quiet at that time of the evening. The next morning, Helen and Mary met at an English class, and Helen said to Mary, "Do you know what happened to me after I left you yesterday evening?" "No," answered Mary anxiously. "What happened to you?" "Well," Helen said, "while I was walking home along that quiet street near my house, a thief came up behind me and pulled my necklace off my neck and ran away with it." "I wish I'd been there," Mary said angrily. "If I had been, I'd have run after the man and I'd probably have caught him." "But what are you going to do now? Have you been to the police?" "No," Helen answered with a smile. "Why not?" Mary asked in surprise. "Because," Helen answered, "when the man pulled my necklace, I turned round suddenly and put my hand out to try to stop him. I caught a chain which he was wearing round his neck and pulled it off him. My necklace was a cheap one which was not real silver, but this chain is made of real gold. If I went to the police, I might have to give it to them.